This is Sagar. I'm a site reliability engineer. I rate Jarvis 5 on the scale of 5. Please click below for more reviews like this. We used to use service now so that the users will manually route the tickets to us, and we used to address their queries and also look at their failures, etc. So it's a lot of manual work. So that's the reason why we thought to automate it using a chatbot or any other solution. And because of the lot of overhead that it has, a lot of the repetitive work, we thought to drop it and probably look at some automated solution. We were looking for an automated solution which can self-service the customers, and when we did some research, we found Jarvis to be a suitable solution because it's using the Ansible playbooks, and as well as the AND programming. We were able to integrate it easily without much complex coding, and also during our test trials we found the results to be very favorable using the Jarvis. We integrated it with Slack, and also we so where all our user base is existing, so they can just search for Jarvis and do the self-servicing with whatever the questions they had. So we found it really useful, and it gave us fruitful results. To get started, we have to give them the brief demo, like how the Jarvis works and how is it implemented in other organizations within the company as well as outside of the company, and what are the current use cases that are being used by other companies, and how does it fit in our requirement. We had to give them the elaborate description and how we want to implement the project as well. So me and there were a few other folks, we were part of this team, and we put everything together, and we provided the presentation to the higher executive leadership and got the approvals. If you're planning to use Jarvis, I would recommend evaluate your use case and see how better you can use Jarvis to get it implemented. So as we can always integrate it with a messenger like Slack, or if at all you're having some website, you can integrate within your website. So yeah, it's basically how you do the things. You need to make the things clear, and then how the integration is done. As you know, Jarvis is capable of integrating several other enterprise tools like ServiceNow, Jira, emails, and Slack, as well as multiple other enterprise tools that we use in day-to-day life. So we can also integrate those. So yeah, primary use case, basically write down the challenges, then try to see what is the solution that you're looking for, and then see how Jarvis can fit in your use case. Yeah.